Hello everyone, welcome to Moments with Lorraine. In this video, I'm making simple, cheesy scrambled eggs and fried red tomatoes. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of butter. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to slice up 2 tomatoes or tomatoes, and you can slice them in any direction that you choose. You can scoop out the runny seeds before frying. Add salt and pepper for taste or any seasonings that you like. As the tomatoes or the tomatoes start to brown, flip them over and brown on the other side. It is now time to make the cheesy scrambled eggs. Grate your cheese according to how much cheese you like. I think I did about 1/4 cup. I made scrambled eggs for 2 people. I always calculate 2 eggs per person, plus 1 extra one for good measure. Now it's time to add your seasonings of choice. I will leave the name of all the gadgets used in this video and where you can find them in the description below. Funny enough, my 12-year-old granddaughter turned me on to using Italian seasonings in my scrambled eggs, and surprisingly, it was very delicious. Off camera, I chopped up some fresh green onions, known as spring onions also. Some people like to stir their eggs as soon as it hits the skillet. Others like to let it sit for a few seconds and then start stirring. It's completely up to you. You can also add some more cheese to your eggs while they are in the skillet. If you're like me, you like a little eggs with your cheese. When the eggs are almost done, you can turn the burner off. The eggs will continue to cook from the heat from the skillet. Some people like their scrambled eggs completely dry. I like mine to have a little wet consistency to them. Voila! Quick, simple, and easy. Nothing to it. I hope this video helped out the beginner and also helped you to decide what to make for breakfast. Please leave your comments below. I would love to know what you think. Also, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. This lets YouTube notice me even more. Until next time, all of you take care and be safe.